All right, crew, so welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are finishing up with the 1977 gas tank. Last week we was able to do all the body work, get everything in primer. We got it ready for paint. So as you see, I'm over here at Count's place using his paint booth. Of course, he's always nice enough to give me a hand. I'm doing a little project and stuff because I just don't have the space. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and show you how everything looks. Everything is nice and wiped down already. Only thing we need to do is get it ready to spray. We only got 4 parts to paint, but Count's gonna help me do a nice design. We already came up with a design that I like, and he's gonna help me do some pinstriping on here, and then I'll paint it. First color is gonna go down to silver. So it's gonna be a nice design. You guys stick around and see that design. Second coat of silver. All right, guys, so I tell you, if I was painting this pipe just silver, that'd be pretty nice. Now you can see how nice that body work looks on there, guys. So we did a really good job with the body work. I took my time, pulled that little dent out right here. It was dent here. I'm really enjoying it. So now this is ready for my pinstriping as far as the design that I'm gonna go with. So that's what we'll do next. Okay. Gray and black?
Yeah, there you go. That's all you want.
Yep.
I thought y'all were doing a green.
Yeah, he changed his mind on the green.
Yeah, because the bike is.
He got yellow. Yeah, I think I would have reversed the colors.
And now everything the same thing. That blue?
Yeah, I think I would have reversed the colors.
Yeah.
Of course, you're gonna have the blue on the top, or that's gonna help.
All right, crew, so we are finally finished with painting the 1977 gas tank. And I tell you what, it turned out immaculate. I am so happy with what I got on this bike. The tank was really nasty. It had several dents in the tank. So it's all about doing your body work first. And I tell you, the more I do these projects, the better I'm getting with my body work, guys. Counts, actually, I wanted a little touch of that Counts Customs on it, so I let Counts went on ahead and sprayed the clear for me. Last time I sprayed the clear, I used the wrong type of clear. I used slow activating clear, and I had some runs on my gas. I had to go back and I had to sand it down and re-clear it. But on this tank here, I mean, it speaks for itself. So I'm gonna turn you guys around, do the big reveal, and y'all guys tell me, make sure you leave some comments down below what you guys. So we're gonna start out with the center tank here. This will be in the center part. Turned out good. I'm enjoying it. Yeah, look really good. So we got right here, we put a little, not really flake, but we darken it up with some silver in the black just to get it like a little two-tone. You may can't see it, but once the sunlight hit it, you can see it right there a little bit, guys. Tell you, man, it's awesome. Went with the silver pinstripe. Now this tank turned out immaculate. Look at this here, guys. You can see the two-tone right there. You hit it just right. I tell you what, I did a pretty good job taping it off this time too. All right, guys, tell me what you think. Leave some comments below. If you like the color scheme, the only thing I would have done different, I would have reversed these colors. I would have put the black down here and the blue in the center, because that blue is popping. It looks really good, man. Hey guys, so this has been an awesome project. It took me a while to get to the paint part, but I'm very happy with it, guys. And thank you guys for coming along with me. So hey, like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car and truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.